Hi!
Welcome back. Today we are going to be making
Slime!
slime. Now, we haven't made slime in like a couple of years, and we know that it's not difficult to make, but we are going to make it, yes? I guess we can give you guys a little tutorial on how we make it too, as we go along. So,
First up, you got either a bowl or a container.
preferably a sealable one, otherwise it will dry out.
You also gotta get something to make your slime
Who
with.
took
We
my
have
lid?
butter knives.
And make tool. And so we take our mixing tool. Next thing you need, some glue. We're using a saline contact lens solution, but you can also use borax. We
Alright!
can do it two ways. We can use the borax and we can also use the saline solution. We're going to start with this though. Also, if you want to make it like a fluffy slime,
You use
shaving cream. So, start off.
Wait. If you want to add a pop of color or something, you can add
Food dye,
food coloring. You can add like these, paint.
clay. You can also add clay. You can make butter slime.
I don't think
So,
I know
first,
that.
what you do, start off with some glue.
I don't have any.
Pour a reasonable amount in there, just enough to cover the bottom.
Oh!
Okay. Now we can either go straight to the contact lens solution, or we can add some shaving cream. I think we're all gonna add a little bit of shaving cream to ourselves to add the fluffy texture.
Make sure to shake it first.
So you kind of want to add like double the amount of shaving cream as you did glue.
Why'd you use my butter?
So you shake it up and just get a decent amount of some shaving cream in there.
Yeah, just like mine. Make sure that. Why does yours sound like that?
Kyle's is having some issues. Now you're gonna take your mixing tool. You're gonna mix all that glue in with your shaving cream. And make sure all of your shaving cream is covered by the glue, because your glue is like the foundation of the slime.
What if you don't have enough glue?
So when you add in your contact lens solution or your borax solution, it'll help keep your slime like stuck together, you know?
Alright.
So once you've gotten that all up and mixed in there like this,
Like so.
so it's this nice, oh wow. This thick consistency. You're gonna take some of your contact lens solution or your saline solution.
We only have one soil. So wait.
Oh,
No!
you're gonna want to spray or squirt
Back off!
a generous amount.
That's generous enough for us.
Especially since we have a whole lot of stuff in here. Once it's sprayed in, start mixing it up. If you
Tell me
did
when to
it
stop.
correctly,
So,
it should all start like forming together as you mix it. And it should turn into a clump. You're gonna wanna just keep on mixing that.
Even if it gets hard to mix.
You're gonna wanna keep mixing it. As you go, you can probably, something we didn't do, which you should probably do before, add your food dye or your coloring.
Oh shoot. I think we forgot.
It's no problem, we can add it in after. It'll be our happy little secret.
Our happy little secret. But everybody's gonna know.
Okay,
How will
so we just mix it around nice and good. Eventually,
oh, there's still so much glue at the bottom of this bowl.
if you added enough saline solution, yes, of course, it's gonna be sticky, but it'll get to a point where you can touch it with your hand. Like, see, it's gonna be sticky. That's when you just add a little bit more of this in there and just keep adding until you're able to touch it. Don't spray me with it. Ew.
I love how I'm still using my butter knife.
It's like a cloud, bro.
You like a cloud.
Wow.
Oh crap.
Oops.
Suggestion, take off all rings or jewelry before doing this.
That goes on your fingers and not around your neck. And bracelets.
Help.
Yeah, see, like, look how sticky it is. Maybe sticky, but
You just gotta keep messing around with it, playing with it until
why'd you look at the camera?
until you can start like collecting it off your hand.
I really can't, so.
Slime.
Can you take this off? Oh, hurry.
And see, it's kind of getting off of this hand. She just took those out.
Now eventually, we'll get to a state like this. Which is nice, cloudy, fluffy, stretchy slime.
Mine can't stretch yet.
Yeah, don't try and stretch it too fast. You're just gonna tear it, buddy.
Or
So what happens if this happens?
then you messed
probably need
up.
to add more glue.
This is.
It stuck to me. Fluffy.
Got it.
It stuck to me.
So once it's got to a state like this, and it's nice
It's
and
not your crowd.
fluffy, and you can play with it and touch it, and it doesn't really stick to you anymore. Now you can add your food coloring. So, if you're not afraid to get your mother's table dirty, slap that bad boy on there. Take your food coloring of choice. We have quite a few selections.
Well,
I'm gonna
there's
try to make purple though. So red,
It tells you on the back of the bottle.
red, and blue. I went to school to know that.
Did you though?
I'm gonna do 3 drops of red and 1 drop of blue.
You want to see what I can make?
I lied. I did 4 drops of red, so I'll do 2 drops of blue.
Purple. Wait, 3 drops of red.
Alright, now we're just going to mix that up in there. Try not to get on your fingers or you're gonna stain yourself. Oh man, my plan went right out the window. This is why you're supposed to
Wear gloves. Or mix it in
either
before
wear
the
gloves
shape.
or mix it in before you add your contact lens solution.
Or borax solution.
Your activate for your slime.
That isn't yellow, that's orange.
That's
It's yellow. When you mix it in, it'll look yellow. What are you making?
Oh shoot, that was 2.
Green and green?
This one.
Oh, turquoise.
Yeah. Why are you talking about?
Poo poo caca.
Boo boo gaga.
So as of right now, mine is still blue and red.
Doesn't smell like fucking music.
But
Oh shoot! It turned into green.
Because you put green in
if you
it.
just
No, I
mix
didn't. I
it
put
all
yellow
up-
and blue. I put green in it. I think maybe, possibly. I don't know. But there's green, yellow, and blue. I'm trying to make teal.
And mine isn't red.
Yeah, how is yours becoming so stretchy?
You can make the poo poo.
Elena, how is yours becoming so stretchy?
Pile of poop.
Let me do the bubble test. Oh, shoot, Chris.
You can also make this slime without the shaving cream. I don't know how well it works.
It doesn't turn out that well. I tried making slime with glue.
You just have to make this like airy and fluffy. Airy and fluffy, you know?
Shrek, is that you?
Okay, maybe we'll try and make a batch without the shaving cream. We'll see how that goes. So, we'll take our glue.
I want to make another batch, but with borax. Actually, no, not with borax. This is teal,
Add our
doesn't?
glue in there.
Oh, damn, those 2 drops of red.
Can
Okay,
use my
so we got
slime
our
as
glue
a
in.
weapon.
Now we'll just take our contact solution.
I'll
Pour
try
some
to
on
get
in
that
there. I forgot to add the food coloring again. Maybe we'll just,
What'd you put in? Glue?
yeah, and the contact solution.
Oh.
We'll do a drop or 2 of green.
Making Shrek.
Yeah. Now we'll take our mixing tool from earlier. We'll just mix that around.
Hey, it's a bouncy ball. I don't know what color I want to make, but I want to mix them. I'll make purple and teal. I'll make purple. And I'll make
I feel
purple.
as though the shaving cream might be the activant in here because this is just a glue and solution and
She doesn't want no shaving cream.
it's not doing much of anything in here.
There's
So
hair in mine.
we'll take a little bit of shaving cream. Put it in there, yeah?
Yeah.
Squirt that.
Are you trying to blow out?
Oh yeah. Yep, see now it's in the sticky thing again. Just mix that around in there a bit.
All right, bun test.
Untest.
Bun test.
More solution. It's a lot of trial and error with slime, you know? Just gotta try one thing, see if it works. If it doesn't, add more of another thing. In this case, I think shaving cream is what we need more of.
It's alright.
Oh my god!
Dude, it's so
Dude, that's fine. Move your glue. No, move the shaving cream.
Here, finish something.
Wait, what color did I say I was gonna make? Purple. That's right, purple. 5 drops of red and 1 blue.
Don't forget the green.
No green.
Well, what color is this?
So purple,
Oh, this is
1,
slimy slime.
2, 3, 4, 5. 5 of red
This slime's
and
wet.
1 of blue.
It's wet.
What's what?
This is my hair when it's wet, and this is. I'm gonna show you. I'm gonna show you what my hair looks like when it's wet.
It's
This is
wet.
my hair
It's wet.
wet.
This is my hair wet. We should
I'm
probably
gonna
need
try
that.
and clean up the side of my hole a bit here.
You can
using our
really see the
slime.
blue. This looks like
I can't really
America.
tell that. What colors I put in here.
Yeah, well, mine turned into like a weird looking color. That ain't purple.
Mine kind of looks more purple.
See,
You know
the
yourself.
less shaving cream you add, the more like, I guess, stretchy and like slimy consistency it's gonna be.
Buckle my shoe.
Why are you saying about buckle shoes?
When you add a lot of shaving cream, it makes it super.
When you put a lot of shaving cream like this,
Okay, that's enough.
makes it super fluffy and airy.
like that much.
Okay, that's enough.
Why? It's my shaving.
Personally, I think I like it with less shaving cream.
Personally, I like it with more because it just feels better.
It gives it more like this slime consistency.
Slime with it.
Like another.
Oh yeah. Well, guys, I think I may need to put a bit more glue in this. I am so stupid. I didn't put any of that in. I'm not supposed to yet. I'm so stupid.
He's still figuring it out. All ready?
Did you just eat it?
That's called the slap test.
Yep, that's good slime.
It went in my eyes.
Lucky for me, I'm not allowed to be slapped back because I just got my wisdom teeth out.
Stop.
Oh, it's hairy now.
I hope your hair.
What color is that? That's like
What color's what?
You
magenta.
look like the same way as me.
Well, what colors did you put in yours?
red and blue.
I'll put 5 drops of red and 2.
I did 4 red, 2 green, and 2 blue.
Oh, you put green in yours?
Yeah.
I put no green in mine.
Why does my finger hurt?
I think I may need more glue, guys.
I don't think so.
I think so. You not see this? Stop! Don't. It's hurting me.
Right.
Oh. So funny about you dropping it.
I think I might add a bit more blue to my.
I think I might add a little bit more red. Oh, you said blue. I thought you said blue.
You put a bit of glue in my kit. Oh, that's enough glue.
Alright. Experimenting now. I think I just got slime in my hair.
I see.
So, let's add some glue to the fluffy one. Let's see what this does. I'm gonna do it so you don't have to. Turn into a sticky disaster.
You're turning into a sticky disaster. Look at mine, bro.
I have faith and we just keep
Stop!
we just keep
You're
kneading
so
your dough.
stupid.
Just keep kneading your dough. It'll form. It's so sticky. So when you're done with your slime, you want to take your container, slap it in there. You'll take your lid. Boom. The more full your container is with slime, the longer it'll take to dry out. That's how you store your slime. Keep it in like a dry, dark area, like room temperature. It should all be fine.
Don't put it in the fridge. That would be bad.
Alright, thank you guys for watching
Please like, subscribe.
and leave a comment.
Bye. Bye.